know, people used to insult people by saying, you're a bird brain. You know, because birds have little tiny brains. But I say the bird knows you build a nest before you lay an egg. Are you all with me?
Yeah.
See, nobody has to feel bad. In other words, we have been victimized by a system that does not want us to be strong and functional. The system can't tolerate black people being strong, self-respecting, and functional. And so it creates where we are. But if people are going to be strong, I would say, now don't chase me out, I'll be leaving soon. See, if I could wave a magic wand, because I'm trying to get an army over here of self-respecting black people. So I would say, black people need to be 35 as males, 30 as females before having sex. Oh! And they need to be married.
Yes.
Because what the system has us doing, see, we're under fire 24/7. This is stress city. At least for people to be old, because if I'm 14, 15, there's no way I can pass on strength to a child. There's no possible way. There's no possible way that I can take care of somebody for 25 years to stand them on their feet. Are you with me?
Yes.
In formal slavery, we were breeders and studs. Are you all with me?
Yes.
And the offspring were sent away to different plantations. That's called foster care. Are you all with me?
Yes.
I'm so sick and tired of seeing patients in foster care who were sexually abused.
Right.
10 foster homes. How can somebody come out sane? The intention for them to come out sane was not the goal. Do you also see, this is like fight back. I mean, oh no, you're not genociding us. Do you see, but they have, see, once you teach people, call yourself a gangster, call yourself a thug, call yourself a bitch and a hoe, then it doesn't matter what happens to you. What's supposed to happen to a bitch? What's supposed to happen to a hoe? What's supposed to happen to a dog? Right. The system says, hey, I'm really wiping you off if I can. And the only response is, no, you're not. No, you're not, for those who can. No, you're not. But see, we don't really have a convincing response to that. So they can, how many people have seen CNN and Soledad O'Brien talking about Jonestown? And they keep putting it on, and putting it on, and putting it on. 1,000 black people were killed I say they had to be gassed. Following a white Jesus called Jim Jones. I say they had to be gassed because dogs don't drink Kool-Aid. And they had dogs dead, laying with their feet up in the air. You see, and if you had drunk cyanide, you would be convulsing but not laying straight. But what they're doing is saying, now we're going to kill 1,000 of them and see how they react. Let's see, we'll kill 40 and call it the Atlanta child murder. They don't react. Let's see, I'll kill 2,000 in Haiti and tell them it was cholera. They have no reaction. Are you all with me? These are experimental testing. See what they do. Have we succeeded in having them repeat gangster and thug and bitch and hoe and nigger? They're saying those are terms of endearment. See, so we have to give the system a series of A+. Mission accomplished. Mission tournament won. You see, so we have to think, how can we start valuing ourselves?